Thebarton has decided to take the next step in food waste composting or processing, and they've got the F25 model Foodie here installed today. So we'll process 25 kilos of food waste in 24 hours, every 24 hours, rocking that circular economy.
Yeah, pretty excited actually. Just quite a milestone for us to get this Foodie installed in the Foodland at Thebarton here. I can't wait to really showcase the potential of Foodie to reduce Foodland's waste, and I think that they'll be thoroughly impressed.
Especially out here being right next to the road walkway, there's plenty of opportunity for people to see and get curious about what we can do. So it's a good opportunity.
It's a good feeling, positive feeling. Once I heard about it, it was quite attractive to give it a go. Generally, when you have a supermarket, there's a lot of waste. A lot of it goes to landfill, so it goes into waste that is unused. When I found out about Foodie, it's a way to use the waste from the supermarket, but turning it into something beneficial, which is compost or some sort of fertilizer for the trees and the garden. What that means is we could use our waste for a benefit cause, and instead of it going to landfill, it's going to be a positive impact on the environment.